chasing after worthless things. No use in buying life with the trials it brings. People come and people go, but do they stay? Try to live a life that doesn't fade away. By all means, think about the things that count. It's also hard to worry things that bring you down. Try to live a life that no one now was then. 'Cause who knows when your time will end. Fame and riches seem to be the best, but in the end of the line, when you go to rest, the only thing that will have meaning then is the way you live, the ones you loved, and how you've been. When all the things of this world are set aside, the precious things are closer than you realized. I found mine in my time of need. He's the good Lord and my closest friend.